today's edition of the E-Birthday Surprise.
Good morning, this is Sony.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I would like to speak to somebody regarding a flight that I want to go. I want to go to Thailand.
Just a second, please.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Who is this?
My name is Sony.
Sony.
Yes.
Right, Sony. What's your last name?
Fernando.
Right. Can I speak to you regarding this?
Of course.
Right. Now, what I want to do is I want to go to Thailand with my family.
Is it to Bangkok, sir?
Yeah. Where apart from Bangkok, where else is good to go?
Well, if you're going for a family holiday, I can suggest you're looking for rest and relaxation, sir, or you're looking for the hustle and bustle of the city?
Western relaxation?
Rest and relaxation, meaning that are you looking for a very laid-back holiday, or are you looking for...
No, I want to go to Thailand, not to Western place.
No, sir, this is... yes, I was referring to Thailand as well.
Okay.
In Thailand, you get Phuket, you get Pattaya, so those are more laid-back cities where you can actually rest and relax.
No,
Bangkok
I want to go into that other place, the hustle and sambo place.
Okay, so that would be Bangkok.
That would be Bangkok. Okay, now what I want to know is roughly what is the cost of going to this place?
Would you require only the air ticket or would you require a package, sir?
I want everything to be done. All I can do is I will pay you and then I'm done. I don't want to do anything else. I want to just go there and one important thing. I want to make sure that you have given me that chap that holds that name board at the airport.
The meet and greet.
That hello, because it's nice to come to the airport or at the departure time or the arriving time to see that, because then you know that everything's going to be taken care of, like, you know what I mean.
I understand.
Yeah, my name is Anton Fernando, by the way. I want you to take basically I want to know what the cost of this journey will be if I'm going to do a package.
Okay, Mr. Fernando, at the moment we have a package going for 32,000.
32,000?
That's very low considering the fact that the airfare sometimes comes up to around 30,000. This package actually entails the 4 nights accommodation, the meet and greet on arrival.
That's you're charging for that also?
Well, it's given complimentary, sir.
Then why did you say that's coming with the package?
Since it was your requirement, I mentioned it as well, since it's included in the package.
Right, okay.
As well as the return airport transfers. We also include a city tour, a half-day city tour, and entrance ticket to Thai Motion World.
Yeah, but I don't want to go and see the city like that in the tour. Why
Do you want a private tour, sir?
I'm going with my family, no? I don't want to go and do these sightseeing things. I have been to this place once or twice before, right?
Okay.
I want to go and actually what I want to do is I want to get my wife to go to the shopping places and I want to somehow get out in the night time. That's what I really want to do. But now to do that, I need to talk to you and you need to give me a package that I can do these things. You know what I'm telling?
Okay, so would you require a driver at disposal, that means?
That is also a pretty good idea. That can be done. So will the driver be the one picking me up with the board?
Well, generally, yes.
But now still I don't know the package. You are saying 32,000 for all these things. I'm going to pay 32,000, is it?
Yes, and that is per person rate.
That's very good. That's very good for me. Right, that's per person.
That's a per person rate.
I have one wife, I have one son, and I have one servant. I want a discount for the servant because she's not a part of the family, no. She's going there to, just to do all the house stuff and work and this and that. So, how is that possible?
Well, sir, unfortunately, we do not offer any discount for the domestics. It's the same rate.
Now, for 32,000 rupees per person, that's a lot of money, these days, the global positioning and all that's going on now.
I can assure you, sir, it's very reasonable.
You are saying that because obviously you want me to go say okay and buy it. I know.
Actually, sir, you can actually check in the market. If you take the airfare separately.
I am not a marketing man. No. I am not going to marketing and find out these things. That's why I called you, right? Don't misunderstand me. Anyways, now what I want to really know is 32,000 is going to get me all these things. I'm going to go to Bangkok, Thailand, and will you be able to arrange nighttime activities for me?
Well, we can.
What are the good what are the nice clubs and all clubs club
I
circuit?
can give you a list. Unfortunately, we can't arrange entrance tickets and things like that. Obviously, you'll have to pay it directly. What we can do is we can arrange a driver at disposal for you who can take you to wherever you need to go.
Will the driver know any of the nightclubs?
Yes, he would.
He would know, no?
And I can also give you a list before you leave.
Can you give me the telephone number for the driver? I can talk to him early.
No, sir. Unfortunately, we don't allocate the driver this early. When are you hoping to travel exactly?
I want to go in August. 32,000, that means that you are going to include the tickets to go into the clubs, no?
No, sir, we're not.
Right. Then how do we keep my wife from not finding out about my activities?
Unfortunately, sir, that would be your responsibility.
You can't give me some kind of guarantee.
How can I give you a guarantee, sir?
I don't know.
I will not be
32,000
helping you,
rupees.
right?
What if 32,000? You can't give a guarantee. Kind of, I don't know. These days, business people, business-minded people, they are not. What was that? What did you just?
Hello?
Yeah. What did you just say? did you just say Mark?
Yeah, I said,
we got you for a little while, no?
Somebody SMS'd you.
So I don't know. Somebody SMS. What happened? This is what the surprise is all about. Laughter, happiness, and us wishing you a happy birthday. Which part of the little conversation did you figure out it was me?
I think I figured it out from the beginning, but I wasn't sure, so I didn't want to say anything until I was sure.
Oh, wow. So you figured it right from the beginning. Yeah, you've been listening to us for quite some time now. I know that for a fact. Your teammates at your company decided to nominate you, and we tried our best. Obviously, you say you knew a little bit about the call. We were hoping you didn't, but well done. Thank you very much. And I'm sure you get weirdos calling like that.
Exactly, that's why I didn't want to say anything.
Yeah, and it's all good. It's all good. Sonali Fernando celebrates her birthday today. All the very best. Happy birthday. Cakes and champagne and all the other good stuff coming your way later on today, okay?
Wow, thanks a lot.
All the best.
Nominate your loved ones by calling 55 extension 117. Speak to Tanya. Tune into the showgram to find out if your special someone gets pranked on air.